851, turn right heading 180. Order 14 Papa, turn right 245, report localizer established.
Hey everyone, welcome to DJ's Aviation. In this video, I'll be covering the first A220 rolling out of the paint factory wearing the Delta colours. In recent hours, we caught our first glimpse of the aircraft which rolled out of the paint shop in Quebec. The rollout of the first A220-100 specifically is a major milestone for the carrier, as pointed out by the program manager of Delta's fleet management team, Larry Cato, who said in the official statement released on the Delta Press website, "There's nothing like seeing years of planning come together in the shape of a freshly painted aircraft," adding, "It's a major milestone for the future of our fleet." Delta will be the first US carrier to take delivery of this A220, which was in recent months rebranded from the C Series. This is after Airbus took a majority stake in the project and applied the rebrand. Since the rebrand into the Airbus name, the A220 program has been bolstered with 2 orders coming in from Moxie Airways, a carrier that is actually yet to launch, and JetBlue. These are 2 US-based carriers. The arrival of the first A220 with Delta, but more specifically the orders from Moxie and JetBlue, lines up perfectly with the goal of Airbus, which is to target the A220 at US-based carriers who are looking to replace their E190s and even their A320s and 737s. Airbus hope to make more assembly lines in the United States as time moves forward to ensure that the A220 becomes an aircraft of choice among carriers in the country. Delta will begin their A220 operations in early 2019 and have a very sizable 75 of them on order. This is all for the one variant. An Airbus supervisor at the paint shop also commented on the rollout via the Delta Press website, stating, "It's a tremendous feeling of accomplishment to know we just outfitted North America's first A220 from tail to tip," adding, "I've been working in the paint shop for 15 years and it can be a challenging job, but seeing the finished product makes it worth it." The airline hopes to begin flight testing later this fall, according to Airbus and Delta officials, and this will take place after the aircraft has finished its move to the flight line hangar. The Delta scheme suits the A220 very well in my opinion, and the A220-100 specifically is one nifty aircraft, which can be served especially in America for multiple different purposes, making it a key aircraft for many airlines in the future, as Airbus has outlined. Airbus also commemorated the rollout with a post on their Twitter page outlining where the aircraft had rolled out and when we should watch out to see the very first flight. Again, this will be occurring later this fall, and I'll be posting more updates probably over on my Twitter page to give you an indication of when that will be happening. Otherwise, you can just keep track of Airbus, as they will definitely keep you updated. What are your opinions on the livery on this A220? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd like to thank you very much for tuning back into another episode of DJ's Aviation, and I do look forward to you all joining me in the next one.
Race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly.